About air handling units. 1. What is an air handling unit? An air handling unit is a device that conditions and circulates air in a building. It is typically used in commercial and industrial buildings, but can also be found in some residential homes. AHUs can be used to heat, cool, humidify, dehumidify, and filter air. 2. What are the main components of an air handling unit? The main components of an AHU are: a fan. The fan moves air through the AHU and into the building's ductwork. A heating or cooling coil. The coil transfers heat to or from the air, depending on the desired temperature. Filters. The filters remove dust, pollen, and other contaminants from the air. Dampers. Dampers control the flow of air through the AHU. Housing. The housing encloses all of the other components of the AHU. 3. What are the different types of air handling units? There are two main types of AHUs, draw-through and blow-through. In a draw-through AHU, the fan is located after the heating or cooling coil and filters. In a blow-through AHU, the fan is located before the heating or cooling coil and filters. 4. What are the benefits of using an air handling unit? AHUs offer a number of benefits, including improved indoor air quality. AHUs can remove dust, pollen, and other contaminants from the air, improving indoor air quality. Increased comfort. AHUs can provide consistent heating and cooling throughout a building, increasing comfort for occupants. Energy efficiency. AHUs can be designed to be very energy efficient, saving money on energy bills. 5. How do I maintain my air handling unit? It is important to regularly maintain your AHU to ensure that it is operating efficiently and effectively. This includes replacing the filters on a regular basis, cleaning the heating or cooling coil, inspecting the dampers and other components for signs of wear and tear, having the AHU serviced by a qualified HVAC technician on an annual basis. Thank you for watching. Please check out the description for much more. Please share and like.